Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I'm so excited to just take a break from the home renovations and come be able to share with you an update on the things that we have been working on and just for us to catch up. And I'm super excited that this video is sponsored by my friends at Bed Bath & Beyond. And yes, Bed Bath & Beyond are back and even bigger and better. You know, that is just a great source to get so many things for your homes at every milestone of your home. You know, our home transitions over the years, and so I love that you can go there and they can be that one-stop shop for all of your home needs and home decor needs. So I'm so excited to share that with you, the updates from not only my home, but from Bed Bath & Beyond with Overstock. So let's jump right in. Okay friends, like I told you, Bed Bath & Beyond is back and it is bigger and better than ever. Now the new Bed Bath & Beyond, it just has so many different products from all those brands we love, and it's just an enormous range of home furnishings and decor, all from Overstock. So you know you're going to get great quality, we're going to get those savings and value along with free shipping all in one. So I love that. It's just like that destination place for kind of decorating your home. So it's so exciting that, you know, these two iconic brands are coming together. I've always loved Overstock and Bed Bath & Beyond, and to know that they are now partners is a great thing. So friends, you can also celebrate the new Bed Bath & Beyond with welcome rewards. Now this is their loyalty program, which offers 5% reward dollars on all purchases, and your reward can be fully redeemed in subsequent transactions, so that's really great. So be sure to download the new Bed Bath & Beyond app and start earning your rewards now. So just to catch anyone who may have missed up, Mike and I moved to Charlotte a year ago, and then we just in May purchased our forever home, which is a renovation project we absolutely love. We fell in love with this house. It's an older home, but it hit the mark on everything that we wanted. And the wonderful thing is, you know, Mike and I, we love our DIY projects. We love just taking a home and bringing it back to life that is customized to us, and knowing the quality of the work is there, putting our blood, sweat, and tears in it, and it just really is just a beautiful way to build a home that we enjoy building our homes. And so it's been a lot of work, it's been a lot of fun, it's been a lot of stress, but it has really just been a huge blessing more than anything. And so the first thing that we knew that we wanted to do is we wanted to do those mass areas. So that's getting new flooring in, that's getting the walls painted. There was popcorn ceiling all throughout the house. We knew we had to get that down, and so those are the core things that we knew that we needed to tackle. The other thing is we knew that there was going to be a good deal of demolition that we need to do. We needed to kind of tear out the kitchen, tear out the bathrooms, not all bathrooms at one time because we have to have one to use, and get those things taken out because we were going to be renovating. And these are things that Mike and I are doing together. And of course, you know, Mike is he's the man, and he's handling it, and I am the one that is his assistant. So I do all the kind of getting what he needs, moving the supplies, loading, doing all the stuff. So we really work great together in that capacity. And so now I'm starting to really move into seeing the house come together. I've even started bringing in some decor items. I've been kind of looking on the Bed Bath & Beyond app and kind of seeing what they have going on, you know, that fits within my color palette, and starting to get stuff, you know, moving with that. So it's really starting to feel like our home. And what really did that was when we started putting those floors down and painted those walls. That was a huge impact, huge impact. So that really was great. Also, because in the entryway there are these tall walls, it's just like there's just a lot of walls. We knew that we wanted to add some type of feature in the entryway along with the other side of the house hallway, because they were each on the opposite sides of the house, but that would kind of bring the house together. And because I'm going with a kind of I hate saying coastal vibe because it's really not coastal, but because I'm using the blues and the greens and the whites, it feels that way. But I thought that putting the shiplap in the hallways would be just such a great accent for this home, and it really turned out so beautiful. So Mike started with the hallway, and that's kind of where we put the shiplap first, and I love how it turned out. And of course, when I say coastal, it's going to be a coastal with the Nikki twist on it, and so it's going to have that chrome because I love having chrome throughout the house, and I love having a little bit of sparkle with chrome, and so we're going to definitely see that throughout the space. But we also finished the entryway, minus the front door wall because our front door just arrived yesterday actually, and so we have to get that installed. But it's really coming together, so love that. So there's so many different little projects that are going on, but we're getting them knocked out, and we're excited that moving into September we're going to be jumping in on the kitchen. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed seeing some of the updates that we have going on around the home. I hope that you all are doing great and stay on this journey with us. Have a beautiful day, my friends, and don't forget to go check out Bed Bath & Beyond with Overstock, and I will definitely put the link in the description box below. Have a beautiful day, my friends, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.